Hey everyone, if YouTube isn't working on your iPad, or if you're getting restriction messages, don't worry. I'll show you exactly how to turn off restrictions so you can watch your favorite videos again. Let's go. First, unlock your iPad and open the Settings app. It's the gray gear icon. Now scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This is where Apple hides all the restriction settings. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's turned on, that might be what's blocking YouTube. To remove all restrictions, just toggle this switch off. Boom! Done! That will allow all apps and content, including YouTube. Don't want to turn everything off? No problem. Alright, you're gonna want to head into Content Restrictions first. Then click on App Store, Media, Web, and Games. After that, tap on Apps. Now right here, if the setting says Don't Allow, that's probably what's blocking stuff. You gotta switch it to 12 plus or higher, and honestly, I'd go with 17 plus since YouTube is rated that in some cases. Wow, that would definitely help unlock apps like YouTube that aren't showing up. And just like that, YouTube should be good to go on your iPad. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments. I'm here to help. Let me know if you want a version that's shorter, more kid-friendly, or more geared toward parents managing their child's device.